Why can't you tell the president that you have the capacity as a county government to be able to manage Nairobi? Let him give us our money. Let him give us our money. And then we will build our roads. I have seen this county government building roads. Unless, Governor, you are saying you cannot build roads. You are a government. Tell them to give us our money. When we see people saying, we will give you this money, but we are not very sure you will run it, so let's send Musalia to chair the board. That is unacceptable.
Meanwhile,
wewe unajua Nairobi. Wewe unaijua Nairobi. Nairobi imeingia katika dimbwi la sahau, kwa sababu tuko na governor anafanya kazi yake, lakini oversight ya Nairobi,
kuna gap kwa
oversight Nairobi kumekuwa na gap kubwa sana. The oversight of the county government of Nairobi has had a very, very big space. Hapo ndio tukasema watu na hii kazi nzuri ambayo tumefanya na Lang'ata tunaweza ifanya Nairobi.